Hey, it's Morgan from WTI, and this is the perfect clear coat nail polish. This is the Sally Hansen Insta-Dri Clear Coat. It's called Clearly Quick. So cute. And it really lives up to the name because the Insta-Dri collection goes on in one swipe and dries in 60 seconds. You cannot beat that. That makes this the perfect top coat. Clear coat's really important to have to protect your nail polish, to keep that color nice and shiny for a longer time. I also really like this because sometimes you don't need color. Just a quick coat of clear on top just makes your nails looking nicer, healthier, stronger. It protects them. So it's really nice to just have a nice shiny look to your nails, even if you don't feel like having color that day. This goes on so smoothly. It dries so fast, just like it says. Insta-Dri is very true. This is such a great nail polish to have around. You really can't beat it. I love this nail polish, and that's my point of view.